Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited Siliguri in North Bengal on Saturday, and the BJP is confident that with his visit, there will be more of confidence in the BJP. As it is, BJP has 5 assembly seats in the hills and the plains, which includes Siliguri area and the plains, and Darjeeling and the hills. There are a total of 7 assembly seats, of which the majority is with the BJP, and they are confident that this time too in the assembly elections the BJP will emerge victorious. As far as the Darjeeling and the hills is concerned, the plains is concerned as well, there is another issue that has come to fore this time, and that is the separate statehood status. There has been a demand for a separate state of Gorkhaland. That has been the demand of the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha. The Gorkha Janmukti Morcha was founded in 2007, and they had formed this party with the demand that there would be a separate statehood. Now, while that has not happened, and there have been tripartite talks in the past between the center state and the GJM, this time around there was an interlocutor that had come to Darjeeling to hold talks with the GJM, to hold talks with other factions. But the other factions, they say, the smaller factions were not called for the meeting, but the GJM is confident that there will be something that emerges from this meeting. The interlocutor that was appointed by the center was Pankaj Singh, and Pankaj Singh was appointed in October 2025 to find a permanent solution to the separate statehood demand. While the GJM is confident that something will happen, of course, till the time something actually does emerge, there is some finality to this, there's some resolution. They cannot really say whether it will be 2026 when the separate statehood status is granted. But there's also another option of a union territory status that can be granted to Darjeeling. At the moment, there is the Gorkha Territorial Administration, which is being run by the GJM. The GJM is a part of the Trinamool Congress, the ruling party here in West Bengal. And while Mamata Banerjee has made all efforts to keep Darjeeling as part of Bengal, there are many factions, the GJM and other factions, that believe that Darjeeling does not belong to West Bengal. So while the politics does emerge in the hills and the plain, this time around, while the BJP, of course, is confident of coming back to power, whether the separate statehood status before the assembly elections, this issue is something that could change the politics of the hills and plains. We will have to see. And apart from that, of course, there's also the aspect of a scheduled caste and scheduled tribe status that many tribes are asking for. And though some of the tribes in the hills have already got this status, there are other tribes that are asking for the status as well. But politics very interesting in the hills and the plains ahead of the assembly elections in West Bengal. With Salil Bera, this is Prema Rajaram.